Hello, this is a short presentation about Thor data center and why its design is logical, greener, cheaper and effective. The Thor data center is located in Iceland. Why is this a more logical location than the UK? In the UK, cooling accounts for up to 37% of data center energy costs, whereas Iceland's climate allows for a cheaper, free cooling 365 days a year. Only 3% of the UK's energy is renewable, and energy is the fastest rising cost for UK data centres. This is compounded by the government's carbon reduction commitment, which imposes a direct tax for each tonne of CO2 emitted, raising costs a further 10%. Conversely, all of Iceland's electricity is renewable. Because of the abundance of this clean energy, it's cheap. The Icelandic government have also changed tax laws to make its country a more attractive place for data centres to operate. Data centres produce around 2% of the UK's total CO2 output. In Iceland, data centres don't emit any CO2. So how does the Thor data centre exploit Iceland's unique ecosystem to make it more environmentally friendly? Free cooling is a technique that inducts the cold outside air into a closed air circulation chamber above the warm server space which it cools. This system can be applied to a now common racked ISO container or to room layouts. Power usage effectiveness, or PUE, is a metric of data center efficiency. Most data centers achieve a PUE of around 2.5. That means that for every 1 watt going directly to computing equipment, another 1.5 watts are required to power cooling systems and other overheads. Data centers like this are expected to only be able to achieve a PUE of 1.6 with efficiency modifications. Because the Thor data center was designed to use free cooling technologies, it can achieve a power usage effectiveness of 1.07, meaning a much smaller overhead. With clean energy and non-polluting systems, the Thor data center really is carbon-free. The common objection to sustainable technology is that it's too costly. So why is the Thor data center able to financially justify it? CapEx is capital expenditure, the money to buy the equipment. As we can see, the cost to purchase and install a free cooling system is around $190,000 more expensive than conventional cooling. However, let's now take into account the OPEX, or operating expense. A free cooling system not only gives cost savings in power, but also in maintenance too. So while free cooling is more expensive initially, large savings are made, which repay the initial cost difference within 2 years, and the system pays for itself within 4 years. Free cooling is vastly cheaper in the long term. Its efficiency costs less energy and less money. As has been shown by Thor data center, if being environmentally friendly is taken on as an opportunity rather than a threat, a data center can be environmentally friendly and financially viable. The fad of profitable pollution has finally fallen out of favour with public opinion, which will form a noose around the neck of businesses and industries who refuse to modernise. Big business has realised this too. Norwegian browser giant Opera Software was one of the first big names to buy into the Thor data center and what it stands for. From the 1st of November 2010, everyone in Europe, Africa and Asia who use the world's most popular mobile phone browser, Opera Mini, have been routed through the Thor data center. That's over 71 million users a month, and just the start of what is sure to be a long-term partnership between the Thor data center and Opera. This is one example showing that the Thor data center is a smart and timely reaction to an emerging market of green computing. A great fusion of product, infrastructure and marketing. It matches the demands of economical responsibility and financial profitability by harmonising what some see as competing agendas. Not because of carbon offsetting or otherwise flawed methods, but with effective solutions for the new green IT world. The Thor data center is greener, cheaper, effective and logical. Thank you for your time.